Hi guys, today we will study about the Mauryan Empire. So first of all we will know about how we know about the Mauryan Empire. So during study through the literary source we came to know about the Mauryan Empire. The first book written by Chanakya or Kautilya, the name of book was Arthashastra and it was written in Sanskrit language. Then second book Deepa Vamsa and Mahavamsa is compiled in Sri Lanka, and in this book also written about the Mauryan Empire. And one commentary written on Mahavamsa that is known as Mahavamsatika. Third one अस्थावीरावली चरित्र और परिशिष्ट पर्वन which is a Jain text written by Hemachandra. It is a biography of Chanakya. In this book also written about the Mauryan Empire. Fifth one Mudra Rakshas written by Vishakadatta. Sixth one Raj Tarangani written by Kalhan. Seventh one Katha Sarita Sagar written by Somdev. And eighth one Brihat Katha Manjari written by Kshemendra. Now we have some foreign literary source also. Megasthenes, who was the ambassador of Greek governor Seleucus, has written a book Indica, and some great historian Strabo has written about the Mauryan Empire, and he has shown the marital or matrimonial relationship between the Chandragupta Maurya and the daughter of Seleucus Nicator. Pliny has written a book called Natural History, and in this book it's written about the Mauryan Empire too. Plutarch, who has given a title to the Chandragupta as Androcotus. Justin was a Greek historian and he has given Chandragupta as a title of Sandrocotus. And some of the inscription also shows about the Mauryan dynasty. These are Nagarjuni inscription, Nagarjuni Avilekh. It was compiled during Dasaratha, who was the great grandson of Ashoka. And in this inscription shows that his name was Devanam Priya. And the second one, Junagadh inscription. So in Junagadh inscription, it was compiled during the Rudra Daman. And in this Junagadh inscription, it's written that governor of Chandragupta Maurya, whose name was Pushyagupta, has constructed the Sudarshan Lake in Swarashtra of Gujarat. And later on, the governor of Samrat Ashok, his name was Yonaraj Tusaspa. He repaired this Sudarshan Lake. So now we will study about the complete Mauryan dynasty starting from its founder Chandragupta Maurya. So Chandragupta Maurya, his time period was between 321 BC to 298 BC. His title was Simant Raja. At the age of 25, Chandragupta Maurya dethroned the last Nanda ruler Dhananand and occupied Patliputra in 321 BC with the help of Kautilya or Chanakya or Vishnugupta. So this is the name of one person. He is known by Kautilya, Chanakya or Vishnugupta. And Plutarch, he was a Greek historian called Chandragupta Maurya Androkotas. And Justin was also the Greek historian and he called Chandragupta Maurya Sendrokotas. In 305 BC, when Chandragupta Maurya moved towards the northwest for a campaign against Seleucus Nicator, which ended with the Treaty of 303 BC, where Chandragupta gave 500 elephants to the Seleucus Nicator. He was the king of Greek or Yunnan, and in return, Seleucus gave him eastern Afghanistan, Baluchistan, and the area under the west part of the Indus River. And Seleucus Nicator sent an ambassador. His name was Megasthenes, who has written a book called Indica. The Girnar record refers Chandragupta's governor Pushyagupta constructed famous Sudarshan Lake in the Saurashtra district of Gujarat. Chandragupta embraced Jainism towards the end of his life because a great famine occurs during his empire and he went to South India state Karnataka at Shravanbelgola with Buddhist monk Bhadrabahu and died in the orthodox Jain way by slow starvation called Sanlekhana. He died in 298 BC. After that, his son became the emperor of Magadha. His son name was Bindusar. The time period of Bindusar was between 298 BC to 273 BC. His mother name was Durdhara. According to Chinese text, the name of Bindusar was Bindupal, and according to the Greek text, his name was Amitrochets, Amitraghat, or Amitra Khada. According to Bayopuran, the name of Bindusar was Bhattasar, and according to the Jain text, the name of Bindusar was Singhasen. During his reign, Ajivika fortune teller Pingalvatsa was in his court, and according to Taranath was the Tibetan Buddhist monk who visited India in the 16th century, and he has written a book, and in that book it shows that Bindusar conquered 16 states. Bindusar has also better contact with Antiochus I. He was the Seleucid king of Syria who sent Dimachus as ambassador in Bindusar court. Bindusar asked Antiochus Bindusar asked Antiochus first to send some sweet wine, dried figs, and a sophist. बिंदुसार जो है एंटियोकस फर्स्ट से मीठा शराब, अंजीर और एक दार्शनिक की मांग करता है। तो एंटियोकस फर्स्ट जो है शराब और अंजीर जो है भेजता है, लेकिन दार्शनिक नहीं भेजता है। Ptolemaic Philadelphus of Egypt sent Dionysius as his ambassador to the court of Bindusar. During the reign of Bindusar, his prime minister was Radhagupta after the death of Chanakya. Bindusar has one not one sons, and his lovable or eldest son was Sumana or Susima. His name was Susima, and he was a viceroy of Taxila, and Asok was the viceroy of Ujjain. The Dibya Vadana or Asok Vadana tells the story of a revolt in Taxila was suppressed by Asoka during the time of Susima. And Bindusar died in 273 BC. After the death of Bindusar, the fight happened between the successor of Magadha among his sons. Asoka has killed his 99 brothers and become crowned as a king or samrat of Magadha or Patliputra in 269 BC. So the time period of Asoka was between 268 BC to 232 BC. Asoka has so many titles like Samrat, Devanam Priya, Piyadasi, Ujjain Karmoli. In Puranas, his name written as Asokavardhana, Dhammasoka, Chand Asok, and Asok. So his name अशोक written in his रॉक एडिक्ट्स, जो इसने अभिलेख लिखवाए हैं चट्टानों पे, उसमें इनका नाम जो है अशोक लिखा हुआ है। सो यह जो है रॉक एडिक्ट्स पाया गया है गुजरा मध्य प्रदेश से, मास्की कर्नाटका से, निट्टूर कर्नाटका, उदयगोलम कर्नाटका। तो इन चार जो है रॉक एडिक्ट्स पे सम्राट अशोक का नाम जो है अशोक लिखा हुआ है। हिज मदर नेम वाज सुभद्रांगी और धर्मा। Coming to the wife and son and daughter of Ashoka, the name of his wife was Asandhimitta देवी और पद्मावती। थर्ड वन इज कारुवकी एंड फोर्थ वन इज तिस्य रक्षिता। Padmavati has two sons and one daughter. I mean, Padmavati has given birth of two sons and one daughter. The name of son was Mahendra, Kunal, and name of daughter was Sanghamitra. Karuvaki has given birth of one son and one daughter. The name of son was Tivara or name of daughter was Charumati. And Tisya Rakshita has given a birth of one son. His name was Jaluka. Mahendra and Sanghamitra sent to Sri Lanka to spread the Buddhism, and Charumati, to spread the Buddhism, married with Devpal, a Kshatriya of Nepal. Later on, son of Kunals were Samprati and Dasrath. The war with Kalinga in 260 BC, 8 years after the coronation of Ashok, had changed his life and become supporter of Buddhism under the influence of a Buddhist monk, Upgupta. The empire of Ashoka was spread across in east from West Bengal to Afghanistan in the west, and the in north foothills of Himalayas to in south Mysore. His important pillar edicts are Rumindevi pillar edicts. It shows that Ashoka visited Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha, and reduced the land tribute to the 1/8 of the produce. Second one was Nigali Sagar pillar. In this pillar, it's written as about the stupa of Buddha Konakammana. And third one, Bhabra edict found at Bairat in Rajasthan It reflects Ashoka's faith in Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Seven pillars edicts found from Delhi Topra, Delhi Meerut, Rampurwa, Lauria Ariraj, Lauria Nandangarh, and Allahabad Kosam area. Rampurwa, Lauria Ariraj, Lauria Nandangarh, these are the places situated in Bihar, Champaran district. Pillar edicts are written in Prakrit language. The inscription was in Brahmi, Kharoshti, Greek, and Aramaic scripts. James Prinsep, he was the first person who deciphered the Brahmi script in 1837 AD of सम्राट अशोक. जेम्स प्रिंसेप वो पहला आदमी था जिसने सम्राट अशोक के पिलर एडिक्ट पर लिखे गए भाषा को, ब्राह्मी लिपि स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ा था 1837 एडी में. उससे हमें जो है जानकारी मिली सम्राट अशोक के बारे में. Now we'll talk about the successors of Ashoka or later Mauryas. The successors of Ashoka was Kunal. Kunal was his son, but some great historian told about Kunal was born as blind. Then after Kunal's son Dasharatha became the emperor of Magadha. After Dasharatha, his brother Samprati in 223 BC. He was ruling from Ujjain and Patliputra. And after Samprati, Salisuka was the emperor of Mauryan dynasty, and then after Salisuka, his son Somavarman or Devavarman, he was the emperor, and after him Satadhanvan, and after Satadhanvan, Brihadratha. Brihadratha was the last ruler of Mauryan Empire, and after that, this Mauryan Empire annexed by Pushyamitra Sunga. So Brihadratha was the last ruler of Mauryan Empire. That's all about the Mauryan dynasty.